Hello everybody and welcome back to my English tropical garden here in the UK, where today it's raining. So I thought I'd take this opportunity to show you a very quick update on what's going on in my greenhouse. It's changed quite a lot since you last saw it, and I'm sure you'd be pleased. I know I am. So come on, let's take a look. Let's step in. It's a little bit warmer in here. In fact, it's a lot warmer. Where should we start? Well, this shelf here is where I tend to keep most of my herbs. Not all of them. I mean, a lot of these can be outside, to be honest. I've got some lovely fresh mint here. Then over here we've got a rosemary plant that's... I've taken that from a cut-in, that one. And this one, which is a lot bigger. Lovely with a roast lamb on a Sunday. Then we've got this one, basil. Something else likes eating this as well. I don't know what. If anybody could tell me in the comments down below what might be munching away on my basil plant. Anyway, there's plenty left for us to have in our meals, pizzas, what have you. These are a couple of new additions. I planted some more parsley and some marjoram. Then over here we've got some chilies. There's one there, there's another one there, and they're starting to grow now. Look, they get little flowers coming, so we'll soon have some chilies growing. There's some more over there. I do grow quite a lot of chilies because I find you can dry them and you can have them as chili flakes, or even whiz them up and have them just as chili powder. And moving along, we've got some plants there, a bit of a tatty carnivorous plant there. Over here on this top shelf we've got a padron pepper, one of my favourites. Mostly they're quite mild and occasionally you do get a hot one. Moving along, desert rose. Seem to be coming on, not quite sure about those. Anyway, let's go along a bit further and we can look at the tomatoes. This one here, which is growing quite well, is a Mr. Stripey. Lovely flavour, lovely to look at too. Then over here we've got Alicante, very easy to grow, very tasty, and actually we're starting to get fruits. Won't be long and we'll be picking these. Then we've got another one there, which is another Mr. Stripey. One there, Alicante, and this one will be quite a big one. This one's a Marmande. So yeah, they're coming on well. And there we have a grapevine without any grapes on it. And very quickly we'll turn around. These little daisies, feverfew, they pop up all over the place. I just leave them, they look great. So anyway, more tomatoes. Plenty of flowers, so we're going to have plenty of fruit. What's this one here? Black plum tomatoes. They should be tasty. Should be different. I've never grown those before, so we give those a bit of a try later on. There's a pepper down there. Another black plum tomato. Getting pretty tall now, quite strong. And then over here we've got a ricinus or castor oil plant that's got to go out in the garden. It's in quite a nice pot, so we'll be putting that in the garden soon. An agave, that's a yellow tomato. There's another one, can't quite see the label of that one coming across. There's another one of those feverfew daisies. It's quite a big one, this one, really nice. Just pop up all over the garden, or I just leave them. And believe it or not, look, we've got a foxglove. I didn't plant that. I just thought, yeah, I like that nice warm greenhouse, so I'm going to grow there. And this is the first for me. It's a butternut squash. really healthy. We'll take that label out because it's not what it is. So there we are, guys. Hope you've enjoyed this little quick look around my greenhouse, see how it's all going on. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you all again in the next video. Thanks again, and bye for now.